New day, new security. Pag-usapan natin, Sun Life, Save and Protected. Kung ikaw ay 45 and below, halika makinig ka. Madali lang intindihin ang plan na to. Una, kailangan nating tandaan 20, 20 times, 10 years, saka 100%. 20 kasi 20 years ang duration ng plan na to. 20 times annual premium, yan ang magiging life insurance benefit. Then 10 years to pay lang. At 100% ang guaranteed return of premium. For example, 100,000 ang iyong annual premium, multiply it by 20, ang iyong magiging life insurance benefit, 2 million pesos. At ang babayaran mo lang, 100,000 times 10 years, 1 million. See? 2 million ang iyong benefit, pero ang premium paid is 1 million lamang, kalahati lang. At eto pa, ang pangako ni Sun Life, kapag na-outlive mo yung 20 years, ibabalik sa'yo 100% ng iyong binayad. So may aasahan kang 1 million after 20 years. Wait, there's more. Ito ang living benefit o yung amount na pwede mong asahan sa plan na to in case of emergency. And also, 60% of the face amount pwede na nating i-advance kapag na-diagnose tayo ng terminal illness. Ito yung actual illustration. So si client, nagbayad siya ng 25,000 annual premium. Ang pangako ni Sun Life, i-multiply mo sa 20 ang annual premium para makuha mo ang total insurance benefit. So, kunin ang calculator, 25,000 times 20, di ba? Kalahating milyon to. Also, 10 years to pay lang, kaya ang total premium payment niya is 250. After 10 years, hindi na yan magbabago kasi nakalock na siya ng 10 years. Meron din itong living benefit. Dito siya kukuhanin sa guaranteed cash value. So, pwede tayong kumurot dito sa amount na nakikita natin sa illustration on a certain period para gamitin natin sa emergency. And also, meron tayong living benefit which is 60% ng ating face amount. So, kung ang face amount natin is kalahating milyon, 60% of that is 300,000. Just imagine, nagbabayad ka ng insurance pero kapag may nangyari sa'yo na terminal illness, how does it feel na meron ka palang aasahan sa plan na to? And not only that, dahil ang pangako ni Sun Life, if you outlive the plan or you live more than 20 years after getting this plan, ibabalik sa'yo ang total payment na ginawa mo, which is 250,000. How does it feel na on day 1 pa lang, 25,000 pa lang ang iyo na ibabayad, pero protektado na ng kalahating milyon ang iyong pamilya. And how much more? Habang pinoprotektahan mo yung pamilya mo, merong babalik sa'yo na 250,000. For further inquiry, you can message me on my social media channels or you can message me through SMS. Here are my contact numbers. This is Annalyn Morales, your licensed financial advisor affiliated to Sun Life of Canada, Philippines. Thank you.